Ah!
Alright, executor style.
Alright.
Shoot him in the ass? That's not cool.
Um,
Okay, whoa, this is not gonna turn into like one of those prison rape scenes, is it?
like, I don't understand. It's like it bugged out, dude.
Yeah, because I saw you break free. You stood up and broke free.
And now I'm just like sitting there. This is fucking stupid.
Well, didn't you just shoot your gun?
Yeah, exactly.
So then you're not handcuffed. Let's go.
But it
In fact, we
wouldn't
could
move.
use that as bait. We'll be like, dude, this is our prisoner, and you can just shoot him. You
Move
could
me
run into
around.
town screaming like,
Move
"Help!
me
I'm
around.
handcuffed."
Maybe I'm just like stuck in this spot.
It gave me a timeout and put me back in the exact same server I was in.
I don't want to have to fucking leave and come back, but that might be all I need to do.
Shit, that's
There you go. Yeah.
You broke out.
No, you moved me around a little bit though, and I thought. Oh. Alright. Yeah, I'll be right back.
So,
You suck, ass dude.
well, you know, I learned from you how to do that.
You learned well, Angie,
I
son.
go to drink water, you fucking try to handcuff me. So I'm like, I'm gonna keep drink water. I'm gonna handcuff you.
Aw, seriously, 80 seconds, dude.
Maybe I can. Shit. Does it?
Well, hopefully I didn't have
That'd be
handcuffs.
hilarious.
If that's the case, then
I mean, all you'd have to do is spawn in Soul Mission. Just
Oh,
grab on
really?
shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because all my stuff's laying there on the ground, or what?
Oh shit, the hoe is a one-hit weapon.
Whatever, I'll just dupe you.
You gonna give me your backpack too?
Sure.
Alright. Well, cool then. Duped him for.
I got another pair of pristine handcuffs for you too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Figured I could-
Wow, the hoe is a one-hit weapon.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, no, I've withstood it before.
Nobody can just do it, so. Me? Eating over by the bridge. Other side. Yeah. Just watching it do it. How long till you're back in? Of course, that's me.
Fucking handcuffing me, asshole.
Hey, dude. But you did it to me.
Alright.
Back in.
Yeah, obviously I'm back in. I just shot at one of you. Is that you, Santos?
You. Oh, I thought you shot at me, Sados, and then we're like, "Is that you?" And I'm like, "Of course it's me."
Oh, yeah. No, I shot it.
That's why I was like, "Of course it's me." No, I thought you were like standing right in front of me, but it was DJ. That's why I was like, "Of course it's me." All right, we're coming across the bridge. All right, the question now is, where are you?
I think we should keep moving, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, the further we get down there, the more noobs we're gonna run into. It's gonna be.
Oh, red chain.
Oh,
As
is
long
that
as
you
don't have the
shooting?
red writing.
Yeah, I was shooting a zombie. I just totally red chained out.
I'm heading down.
Where are you, Dayz? Use my real name, Achilles. What
What was your swashbuckler's name?
Hacksaws?
That's right, Haxos.
Yep.
What? What do you mean? I got just on the guy's screen.